Unlock the universe's hidden secrets. How astrology can supercharge your investment results. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share something truly special, an alternative way that might improve your investment results. Now, I know this might sound a little bit mysterious or unconventional, but stick around, because sometimes the most unexpected methods can bring fascinating insights into our lives, especially when it comes to managing money. Let's dive in. Have you ever felt that your best investments didn't just come from cold, hard analysis, but also from your instincts or a special gut feeling? We often rely on logic, news, charts, and data. But in truth, the world is more connected than we realize. Think about it. Everything around us is made up of energy, and everything vibrates at different frequencies. So the question is, can we tap into these subtle energies to improve our trading and investment decisions? One unconventional tool that some people swear by is astrology. Yes, astrology. From picking the best day to make a short-term trade, to checking if this year holds big money-making opportunities for you, astrology might just add an extra layer of confidence to your moves in the stock market or crypto world. So, if you're curious, keep watching. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can use astrology to potentially boost your investment results. Before we start, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on future videos that blend practical finance tips with intriguing perspectives from all corners of the universe. Let's face it, the mainstream financial world often dismisses astrology as nonsense. And hey, I get it. On the surface, it seems unrelated. But the truth is, astrology is a system that's been around for thousands of years, used in different cultures like Chinese astrology, Indian Vedic astrology, and Western astrology. People in the ancient world didn't have the modern technology we do, but they observed patterns in the skies and linked them to events on Earth. While it's certainly not a guaranteed formula, many believers find that these celestial rhythms can align with favorable or unfavorable times to act. Think about it this way, we already know how the moon affects ocean tides. So is it really that far-fetched to think that the gravitational and energetic fields might also influence our emotions and behaviors? If your trading style relies heavily on timing and sentiment, even a slight emotional or psychological edge could be valuable. Some professional traders do, in fact, check the lunar cycle or certain planetary aspects before placing important trades. So, there's no need to put all your faith in astrology. Instead, treat it as a supplementary tool, one more indicator in your toolbox of technical and fundamental analysis. If it gives you even a small advantage, why not explore it? One fascinating aspect of astrology is a concept sometimes called electional astrology, or simply choosing the right day. In many cultures, you'll find references to lucky days or favorable dates, similar to what we see in the Chinese yellow calendar or Indian panchang. The idea is that on certain days, the overall energy or cosmic weather is more supportive of profitable trades or smooth transactions. That doesn't necessarily mean the market is guaranteed to go up. Rather, it's about feeling more aligned with the day's energy, so your decisions flow better. Here's an example. Imagine you're a short-term day trader and you have a hunch about a particular stock. If the day's astrological outlook suggests it's a good day for initiating new actions, especially around money or quick transactions, you might decide to go for it with more conviction. Of course, this doesn't replace your usual risk management, chart analysis, or market research. But if you're on the fence, a supportive cosmic vibe might tip you in the direction of making a confident move. You can search online for daily astrological calendars or apps that specify which days are best for financial matters. If you try it consistently, you might notice patterns over time. Keep track in a simple journal and see if it aligns with your trading success. Beyond day-to-day astrology, there's also the concept of your birth chart, the exact positions of the sun, moon, and planets at the moment you were born. This chart can supposedly reveal some personality traits and potential life paths. More relevant to your finances, it might hint at which years are better for money-making endeavors and which years may be more challenging. For instance, in Vedic astrology, there's something called the dasha system that can show when certain planets become active in your life. If the planet associated with wealth or success is activated, it could be an excellent time to ramp up your portfolio. Conversely, if the year ahead looks challenging, you might want to be more conservative, diversifying your investments or holding on to safer assets. Western astrology offers similar techniques like solar return charts or progressions to see which parts of your life might receive a cosmic boost. Real-life example. A close friend of mine recently got into advanced astrology. She saw that her birth chart indicated a strong Jupiter influence in the upcoming year, Jupiter being the planet of expansion and luck. She decided to get more aggressive with her investment strategy. And guess what? She ended up making significant gains. Of course, she also studied the market carefully, but she credits astrology for giving her the extra confidence to strike while the iron was hot. All right, let's get more practical. How can you integrate astrology into your investment routine today? Use a daily astro calendar to quickly see if the day is labeled favorable or unfavorable for financial matters. A quick Google search or popular astrology websites like Drik Panchang for Vedic or Astro.com for Western can give you this info. Keep a trading journal that notes the planetary positions. Track your wins and losses on different days to see if there's a correlation over time. If you're serious, you could pay for a personalized reading. Look for an astrologer who specializes in finance or electional astrology. They might help you pick the most auspicious days for making big decisions. Use astrological guidelines as a reminder to stay calm and avoid impulsive decisions on challenging days, or to capitalize on supportive energy when it's there. Let me share another quick story. I knew someone who was quite skeptical of astrology, but he was also open-minded enough to try it out. He had a big day of trading planned, so he deliberately chose a date that an electional astrology service labeled as favorable for financial beginnings. He made 20% profit on a single trade. Now, was it purely luck? Perhaps. But he later tried another day that was labeled unfavorable just to test the theory. And that trade tanked. He started paying more attention to the astrological calendar. While it's far from foolproof, it gave him an edge he hadn't considered before. Now, I'm not telling you to abandon rational analysis or to rely solely on horoscopes. Absolutely not. Technical analysis, fundamental data, and economic indicators are still essential to smart investing. Think of astrology as just another perspective, an extra ingredient that might help you fine-tune your timing. There's no scientific consensus proving its effectiveness, but many people claim it works for them. Ultimately, the decision is yours. If it resonates with you, test it out. If not, no worries, you haven't lost anything by exploring different angles. After all, expanding our minds never hurts, especially when it comes to something as important as our financial success. So there you have it, a glimpse into using astrology as a complementary tool for improving investment results. Remember, we live in a vast, interconnected universe. Every bit of wisdom, whether mainstream or alternative, can potentially guide us to better decisions. If you feel drawn to it, give it a shot. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on more game-changing ideas. Also, smash that like button and drop a comment below. Have you ever tried using astrology for trading or investing? I'd love to hear your stories or questions. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Until then, may the stars guide your path, and may your portfolio grow steadily and securely.